Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha no athiete na mbere na firigisheni ya kungururia ciana iria itari iraingira kirathi gia form 1. Umuthi akigena mwena wa Isinya kaunti-ini ya Kajiado na atwara ciana cia gicagi kia Majengo Thukuru na oho anyabara waki wa irathi cia CBC thukuru-ini cia andu kiumbe.
Hoping that this mopping up exercise will be completed within a week, and now if we find parents with children at home, I am going to instruct the other wing of the Ministry of Interior, which is the Kenya Police, to arrest the parents.
Jana leo nimeshukuru maana nilikuwa nimeshindwa school fees. Nimeapply loans, nimeshindwa.
Nilikuwa nataka kuwa lawyer when I grow up. Vile alikuwa anaamka akienda akirudi hajafanikiwa, nilikuwa nasema maybe Mungu atafungua milango next time tuingie shule.
Magoha augite thirikari nirarutithania wira na thukuru cia andu kiumbe niguo na ciikoro igiaka irathi cia guteithiriria mathomo ma CBC thiini wa junior secondary.
Take for example in Nairobi, the standalone top grade private primary schools in Nairobi are already building CBC classrooms. We are going to embark on inspection of those classrooms from the 1st of next month.
Na niguo gutigirira arutwo othe ni maingira thukuru, Magoha ni oritie aciari aria matari na uhoti wa gutwara ciana thukuru maranirie na macibu niguo mateithiririo ni thirikari.
All of us, my officers plus the officers at the Ministry of Interior and coordination with the government, must now mop up all children to go to the nearest day school that is near them. Parents are also starting to be very cunning, and my officers must be very careful to only offer extended assistance to children who require.
Ihinda-ini oriu arugamiriria mathukuru ma andu kiumbe kuma kundu gutiganite cia bei ya thi na ikoragwo igitwarithia mathomo icagi-ini iria ikoragwo mataoni-ini ni moritie Ministry ya Githomo imaigananie na thukuru iria ingi amwe nao ni manyitaga itemi ria guteithia ciana icagi-ini ici.
Ngoro citu itire irakinya handu ha gukorwo ati ni twitikirite wega kana ni turakorwo tugituka involved kana tukikuruhanio na maundu maria mothe marariririo megie mwana na githomo kia mwana.
They know we exist, yeah, but they don't involve us, yeah, in even policy matters.
Na hari gutwarithia na mbere mathomo ma CBC guthia junior secondary, arugamiria mathukuru maya ni mugite ni marehariria hari waki wa irathi cia CBC niguo gugikinyiria mwaka ukite makahota guthomithia arutwo a junior secondary.
Ringi aingi tutire no hoti wa gukorwo twakite irathi icio, ni twaria ati ni twagirirwo na ithuĩ tuthitwire ona andu aria turatongoria na mathukuru maria turugamiririre twambiririe kugia na mitaratara ya kwibanga ni tondu ciana ici ri no nginyagia ona ithuĩ tukwambiriria kumamukira.
They have given the private sector the go ahead to prepare for the junior secondary, but they have not specifically mentioned about the upper schools to prepare to domicile junior secondary, and that's why today we are asking the government to come to us.
Magoha no athiete na mbere na kuruta mukana muhiu kuri arutani aria maraingata arutwo ni undu wa kwaga bithi. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Muirori.